Welcome to our educational video about flexible factories, a concept that is transforming the manufacturing landscape. Imagine a production facility, nimble enough to shift its operations swiftly to meet the ever-changing market demands. This is not the rigid factory of the past, permanently fixed to produce a single item. Instead, a flexible factory is a dynamic space that can reconfigure itself for different products in a relatively short time. It is a place where adaptability leads to efficiency. In the past, factories were like colossal machines, each designed for a single purpose. However, as consumer needs evolved, so did the necessity for versatility in production. The traditional assembly lines, that once produced hundreds of thousands of identical items, are giving way to more adaptable setups. A flexible factory is at the forefront of this revolution, capable of handling various products without costly downtime or retooling. Let's contrast a flexible factory with its counterpart, the focused factory. While the latter dedicates itself to a narrow set of processes and products, a flexible factory is the jack of all trades in manufacturing. It is about breadth rather than depth, with an emphasis on a wide range of operations and the ability to switch gears quickly and efficiently.
In a world where change is the only constant, companies strive for flexible specialization. This strategy leverages multi-skilled workers and versatile equipment to stay competitive. It is about being prepared to pivot at a moment's notice, ensuring that a factory can produce various goods with minimal transition time, embracing the change rather than resisting it. What does the future hold for flexible factories? With advancements in 3D printing and artificial intelligence, we are on the brink of a new era. The ultimate flexible factory could be one that makes anything, from everyday items to complex machinery, with negligible downtime. Imagine a world where production is so adaptable that it could reshape our economy and the very concept of supply and demand.
As we contemplate the possibilities, we must also consider the implications. What would it mean if every home had a 3D printer, capable of producing anything one desires? How would this affect our traditional economic models? The journey towards the ultimate flexible factory is not just about technological advancement, it is also about preparing for the profound societal changes it may bring. Thank you for listening to this video. We hope you found it interesting and useful.